Hey Tara, I hope you're doing well. This is Anthony, the individual you spoke to on the phone. I was just providing that free video I was talking to you about. So I'm just going to go over some information in regards to kind of what Google likes to look for and some free tips that you guys can implement to help your site right away, and also go over some things that you guys could also do, but if you feel my services would be of use, then we can discuss those opportunities moving forward. But the first thing I want to start out with is kind of some Google statistics. We all know everyone uses Google. There's over 5.6 billion searches a day on there. 86% are performed on Google. Less than 10% of people click on the paid ads, surprisingly. And around 75% of all those people go to the top 3 search results when they're looking for something overall. So when we go to your page here, there's 3 things that Google looks for. They look for content, citations, and backlinking. And I know you guys have multiple services and also multiple locations, but it looks like the content's not horrible. You guys have a decent bit of content on here. Google does like to see around 1,000 to 1,500, around 500 to 750 on the back pages. So that was 1,000 to 1,500 on the front page. Depending on if this is a back page or a front page, then you can adjust accordingly. But you like to put the keywords into those pages to help Google crawl and track those keywords. That way you can rank for them. But the next thing we'll kind of look at is citations. So when I was looking in the Murfreesboro area, I know you guys, like I said, do like the restoration services for fire, water damage, and mold. The high search service in the Murfreesboro area is actually for cleaning services. Around 90. It gets around 90 searches a month, and that's just for this specific keyword. That's not counting just cleaning services, Murfreesboro, and some other keywords that I'll show you later. But here's the paid ads that I was talking about that you could pay for to get right up here to the top and provide your information. Like I said, only 10% of people actually click on those ads. So it is nice to have them because it provides more real estate on the front page for people to see, but not a lot of people click. In regards to cleaning services, you guys aren't popping up on the map pack here, which means, there are 2 things involved with the map pack to determine the ranking here, and that's the number of citations that you have and the backlinking power that you have. The citations, if you want to know what a citation is, it is your name, your address, and your phone number listed in directories. So that would be all that information listed on Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, those kind of things. So people that have more citations and have the backlinking and the keywords on their page rank in that map pack opposed to the people that have less citations and don't have the content and the backlinking power. So we could probably increase the citations, get more citations for you guys to help rank better, and make sure that that page has your keywords that you're looking for. Like I said, in the Murfreesboro area, the cleaning services is searched more than anything. So the next thing we'll move on to is the backlinking. It's kind of the main thing that provides your page authority and gets you ranked on Google. Backlinking, when searching for this, so the first 3 individuals that pop up are 2 Mates Murfreesboro, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Angie's List, Care, Yelp, First Class Maid Service, Murfreesboro House Cleaning, Molly Maid. Looks like you guys might not even be on the first page here. And like I said, 91% of all traffic stays on that first page, and 75% of that traffic goes to the top 3 search results. So that's somewhere you definitely want to be. We analyze your site here. You guys are ranking for a lot of keywords. You're not getting a whole lot of traffic, though. And when we go in to here, give me 1 second. There we go. When we go into the keywords here and just kind of take a look, I'm going to type in Murfreesboro specifically because that's where people were searching for and that's where they're looking for services. Those are your customers that are wanting the business now. So if you're typing in cleaning service in Murfreesboro, you're probably looking for a cleaning service. But you guys are ranking #1 for your name in Murfreesboro and all of that good stuff. But when it comes to cleaning services, which is getting 90 searches per month, you're at the 50th position and you're not getting any traffic to your website for that specific type of service. House cleaning services is another 30. I'll kind of show you your #1 competitor here, which is 2 Maids. So, they have 269 keywords. They have 19 referring domains, and they're getting traffic of around 99 per month. But when you go in here, for those specific keywords that we were discussing, we can see that they're in the #1 position for house cleaning Murfreesboro, #1 position for cleaning services Murfreesboro, #1 maid, #1 house cleaning, #1 Murphy's house cleaning. And between all those, that's about 150 searches per month that they're getting all the traffic to their site that you are missing out on potential customers. And we can go in and beat the competition by looking at their referring domains and matching those domains and actually getting better domains directed to your site. So a backlink is a site that directs traffic to your site, and you can go in and see that these domains, this is a directory, this is a directory, some of these are directories, but these domains are pointing to this website, which is giving it authority and helping it rank on Google and for those keywords, which is a heavy search volume in the Murfreesboro area. So that's just kind of some tips on how you guys can increase some online organic traffic and customers to your site without having to pay for search ads and everything, and help kind of grab that volume for that specific service in the Murfreesboro area. You can obviously do this for fire and water and the restoration services. They're just not searched as much as the cleaning services in Murfreesboro. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Take these free tips if you want and implement them to try to help your site rank and drive more traffic. And if you want to discuss some more information with me about how I could possibly help out with this, feel free to reach out with me. My information will be in the email below. But thanks for your time.